Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my plant mom care things that I have for my plants and the things I use when I repot and the things that I have new for repotting because I've been using my IKEA trays for everything. Let me show you the ones I'm talking about. So these are one of the trays that I use when I'm repotting stuff and I needed to do something different. So I have this here and I'm going to share everything I got with you and what it's used for repotting and caring for your plants. Okay, I am back. So starting from the left, I have some indoor potting mix, and this is for a wide variety of plants. So you can't go wrong with Miracle Grows. This one, and then the one that just says potting mix, that's a yellow bag with the flowers in the front. And the one that I really wanted was the blue one, but it was kind of expensive on Amazon. I got these from Amazon. And I got the soil covers from Amazon. Soil covers is like, you should have seen a video that I shared with you guys. And it was a video of me showing you how I repotted the snake plant and how I put the nice glittery sand on top of it. Well, that's that sand. That sand has like a sparkle to it and it's black sand. It's really pretty. So instead of just seeing that rugged soil dirt look, you can have this sand placed on top of your plants. And it also helped to drain the soil better as well. Then I got this here, which is a shovel. And this one was from Walmart. It was only 94 cents. I said, I guess it won't hurt to have an extra one. So I got this one from Walmart. And I thought, like, I'm going to have one in this here. I also bought a 6x8 foot tarp because what I'll do is when I'm going to be doing a lot of planting and repotting, I'll lay this over the island. And then when I take everything off and I'm done, I just fold it up, you know, knock all the soil into my bucket or whatever I want to put it back in and fold this up and put this into my caddy, which I'm getting ready to show you now. If you need perlite, Home Depot is the best place to get this. This big old bag, which is 8 dry quarts, was $4.97. This big bag at Walmart was like double the price, and on Amazon was like triple the price for not even 8 quarts. It was like 2 quarts or 3 quarts. So if you need perlite, now perlite is something that helps with drainage. So that way, if you do overwater, it'll help the water to come out of the plant and not seep into the roots of the plant and allow the plant to rot, like get wet rot. Then I bought this bucket here, which is a nice size bucket, and these gloves. Now these gloves are what I'm going to be using. So when I need to wipe off my plants, I'll just put my hand in the glove and a little bit of Dawn. Some people use Dawn dish liquid. Some people use vinegar. Everybody uses different things. I've used Dawn dish liquid, just a little touch of it with warm water, and it didn't affect my fiddle leaf. So these are so freaking soft. And I got these from Dollar Tree. So I said these will be my plant wiping gloves. So I know that they're going to nicely, gently rub off the dirt and clean the leaves so that the plants can breathe really well. Then I got this bucket. So this will be the bucket that I use to mix my perlite in my soil before I get ready to repot something. I'll just mix it in here with my shovel and kind of, you know, get it ready for the new plant to go into some new soil. Then at Dollar Tree, so this was from Dollar Tree, this was from Dollar Tree, and this as well was from Dollar Tree. I have an air plant and I've been trying to work with it. I don't know, guys, if I'm doing too much water into it or whatever's going on with it, but it was looking a little dry, so I missed it today with this little bottle here. And they have not succulent, well, I guess it could be a succulent or air plant little terrariums. And so I got that from Dollar Tree. So that's going to be for the air plant. Now, this caddy here is the one I was excited about. If you don't know, lime green is my favorite color. I will repeat that. I love lime green. So anything green, blues, all that. Blues and greens are my color. So it's a little bit of water in here. This caddy I got from Amazon. It came with this. And I said I use my hands for everything, and I needed something to make sure when I'm done with everything, I can put it back in one spot. So it came with this nice black lime green bag and all of these tools. So I'm going to open these tools up so you can see all of them and show you them inside the caddy, and then we're going to go from there. All right, guys, so this is all the stuff that came in the caddy, and this stuff is made so well. Like, I am so feeling this. The reviews were amazing, and not just for indoor potting, but I'll have this in the future for doing gardening and stuff in my yard. So I'm excited about these, and it was a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piece, and it was $28.99, and I want to say it was 5% off. And then it gives you 2 different gloves, one for just, you know, making sure your hands are not dirty when you're potting or gardening, and then this one is for like scraping into the ground if you gotta like dig a hole in your pots when you're planting something. So all of this was in there, and I thought that was a steal of a deal. So these are going to be things that I can have. I can just grab the caddy when I'm getting ready to repot something and have everything in one spot. So let me put everything inside the caddy. So we have everything in there, the 2 gloves and all of the little gardening tools right there, and I'll just have that someplace. And I'm going to also put this shovel inside of here, and when I open this up, I'm going to put this inside of there as well. So I know when I'm ready to repot, I just grab the bag, which will be inside the bucket. Unless I keep soil in the bucket, I'm not sure. I'll have this, once I fold it up and utilize it, fold it up nice and neat, and then I'll just have my caddy to take when I'm getting ready to repot something. So that is my care items as a plant mom and how I'll be taking care of my babies. And I'm gonna get a bigger bottle, bigger misting bottle. But yep, that's what I have, and I had to share this because I gotta repot some plants, and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even share it with them. So this is my caddy, and yeah, it seems pretty sturdy. I really like it. I like that everything I need is right here in it, and I can just grab it and go. So yeah, nope, it doesn't fit in there. So wanted to share that with you guys, and like I said, that was $28 on Amazon. I was thinking, oh, let me go get the parts. I'll just get different pieces from different places. My Dollar Tree didn't have too much of anything. Like, look how thick and nice this is. Like, this is, look, this is made, oh, you hear it? It's made very well. So yeah, I think it was worth it. And I also enjoy the look of it because, like I said, planting and growing things and having plants around me is like a therapy for me. So I'm so excited to share this with you as well. And I hope that you can take on this journey with planting as well, and it be something that's therapeutic to you if you're new to it, or if you're interested in learning it. Just get you a plant or two, a small one, and just work your way up from there. If you want any recommendations on plants, you can always ask. I will be trying to put all these videos under the playlist called Plant Care, so look for that playlist because there's lots of other videos that I've posted in the past that you can look up and see information that I share in regards to plants, how to water them, ways to check the watering, and all that great stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video. But guess what? If you are new to my channel and you want to join my family, you know how you do that? You hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, I want you to hit that notification bell as well, because you're going to get notified every time I load a video, and also when I put up bonus videos, because I do that as well. You don't want to miss them. And if there's something you want to see on the channel, make